Hello there, this is Ryan with Action Computer Service, and I'm here to tell you today how you can take a simple PDF, or I'm sorry, a simple JPEG file and make a PDF with it. And we're going to use two things, well, actually one. We're going to use smallpdf.com. And I'm preparing this particularly for one of my customers whom I've set up with a setup similar to what you see on the screen here. And so I'm going to kind of give them an overview, but also anybody who's viewing an easy way to do this. So the first thing to do is open up smallpdf.com. And I have a bookmark here that takes me directly to their JPEG to PDF converter. And so I've got it open. And what I'm going to do to make this easy is I'm going to select and hold, click and hold, the title bar at the top. The title bar is this area here at the top where the title of the screen of the window normally is. So I'm going to click that and hold it and move it all the way to the right side of the screen. And in Windows 10 that brings this up, but in Windows 7 it just moves over to the right. I call that slamming it to the right, and that makes it take up exactly half the screen. And on the left icon here, I've got my shortcut to my network drive. Now, for my client, that's a scanner, a network scanner that only scans JPEGs. And so what we'll do is double click on that and move it all the way to the left, and then go into the scans folder. And so here we have some random scan. And so what we're going to do is drag that over to where it says drop images here. Now, if there were multiples of these, for example, let's say we had five of these. In fact, we'll make some copies here. So we got five of them. We just take all five of them and drag them over here. And then smallpdf.com does its job. And so we'll make sure that letter is selected because we're in the US, and we'll make it portrait because if it's not automatically, I'm gonna select portrait. It should if you're scanning documents, but if you're scanning a picture or something, in this case this is a screenshot of my website, Action Computer Service, actionpcs.com. You want to make sure that portrait is selected, and then you can select margin, big, small, or no margin. It doesn't really matter. You probably will do small margin or whatever it automatically does. So we'll click create PDF now, and it does its job. It says whoop whoop, we placed all your images in a PDF file. That's great. And then you go down here to download file now. And when you click on that, it pops up and asks you where you want to save it. And at this point, for my specific client, you're going to select your Z drive and your folder and put it in there. So, like for example, under this PC, instead of server share, it'll say Z, and then you can select your name and everything. So and then you hit save. So I'm just going to go ahead and save it on my desktop. And I'm going to hit save, and it's called images.pdf, and here you can name it client house whatever contract.pdf and hit save, and it saves it, and then you can click it, and there's the PDF. And in this case it's just the same page over and over again, but you get the idea, and that's really all there is to it. So I hope this is helpful to you. If not, let me know, and I'll be glad to help you directly. And if anybody ever needs help with this kind of thing, please look me up, actionpcs.com. You can give me a call, 360-861-8117, and I'll be glad to give you a hand. And I also offer remote services, so if you know somebody who needs a hand with their computer, please have them give me a call or email me at actioncomputerservice@gmail.com. So hope this finds you well. Have a great day.